Hi, welcome to Vermin Hunters. If you don't enjoy watching pest species in the UK being legally controlled, then please go find something you do enjoy watching. Thanks.
This permission's had quite a lot of problems with foxes. He's had lots of chickens and ducks taken by them. So he's put plenty of fencing up. Sadly for us, sometimes it's 3 deep that we've got to try and thread a pellet through, and it does prove pretty tricky. I think this one was Robo Rat. He took a full frontal at 15 yards, 1 mil to hold over, and he just took it. Didn't take the second. That bloody fence. We have to be really careful on this permission. You can take a look through the thermal spotter and you'll see the heat signature, but then when you look through the pod, you'll see something like a small quail laid up in the grass. So shots have got to be taken very, very carefully. Once again, I'm either clipping the fence or just a poor shot placement. I have 2 goes at this rat and miss. It's not so lucky the third time. Two-mile away from this permission, we've got a very healthy population of red squirrels. So every time one of these presents itself for a shot, it's getting taken.
As always, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, then please like and subscribe, and then hit the bell to be notified of any future videos. See you next time from Paul and Steve.